Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Dodge Grand Caravan can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start our install, we're going to lower our exhaust. It's held in by a bolt right here behind the muffler. To remove that bolt, we're going to use a 13mm socket, and since it's up there, it helps to use a 5-inch extension. Now with our hanger removed, we should have enough room to get above our exhaust, but if you need some more room, there's another hanger located further up the vehicle, right past this cross member. We can remove that using a 13mm socket as well. Now on the driver's side, we're going to remove these 3 bolts on the bottom of the frame. Our most rear bolt, we're going to remove using a 15mm socket, and our other 2 bolts, we're going to use an 18mm socket. Let's go ahead and remove those. Now we're going to repeat that process on the passenger side. We only have 2 bolts on this side. One we'll remove with a 15mm socket, the other an 18mm socket. And when removing these bolts, we want to keep away from our air conditioning lines so we don't damage them. Now we do want to point out that our bracket inside that has the weld nuts may shift once you have all the bolts out. Now when you're going to put your bolts back into place, you may need to take a flathead screwdriver just to move the bracket on the inside, so that way we have enough space to line up our bolts. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. And then you want to make sure that you don't come too close to those air conditioning lines. With our hitch in place, we're going to use our pre-existing bolts to secure our hitch into place on both sides of the vehicle. Let's start on the driver's side. With all of our bolts into place, we're going to tighten and torque them all to the manufacturer specification. Helps to use a 5-inch extension with our sockets. With our hitch installed, now we're going to reinstall our exhaust. So with our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.